Embarking on the journey of organic farming can be both an exciting and daunting experience. For beginners, the allure of sustainable practices and the promise of fresh produce is often met with a myriad of challenges. Understanding these hurdles is key to navigating the organic farming landscape successfully. One of the first challenges beginners often encounter is the steep learning curve associated with organic methods. While traditional farming techniques may rely heavily on chemical fertilizers and pesticides, organic farming focuses on natural processes. This can include everything from soil health management to pest control through ecological means. New farmers frequently find themselves overwhelmed by the wealth of information available, and it can take time to find resources that resonate with their specific needs. Another significant hurdle is managing the financial requirements of organic farming. Setting up an organic farm can be an expensive endeavor, from purchasing seeds and equipment to maintaining organic certification. Many aspiring farmers struggle with budget constraints, which can hinder their ability to invest in quality materials. It's vital for beginners to create a comprehensive business plan, researching grants or local cooperative resources that can help lessen the financial burden. Despite these challenges, the rewards of organic farming can be immense. One of the most gratifying aspects is the satisfaction of growing your food sustainably. Beginners often discover a deep connection to the land as they cultivate healthy, chemical-free produce. This not only provides a sense of accomplishment but also creates a unique bond with the local community, fostering sharing and collaboration amongst local farmers and consumers. In addition to personal fulfillment, organic farming can open doors to various market opportunities. With the increasing consumer demand for organic products, beginner farmers can find their niche in farmers markets, community-supported agriculture programs, or local grocery stores. Learning how to market your products effectively can lead to triumphs that sustain and grow your farming venture, ultimately transforming challenges into opportunities. In summary, the journey of becoming a beginner organic farmer is filled with both challenges and triumphs. Learning to navigate the complexities of organic practices while managing financial implications can be daunting. However, the deep connection to nature, community support, and market opportunities can create a fulfilling and rewarding experience. By approaching the journey with knowledge and resilience, beginners can overcome obstacles and enjoy the many benefits of organic farming.